What you doing? Hey. Ooh. Did you rip it? Are you ripping your tickets?
Yeah.
Man, what's going on, y'all? We are back this morning. We are back from, I don't even know when we last vlogged. It's been kind of inconsistent lately because we've been mad busy. If y'all don't know, Lala works 7 days a week. She hustling like, what is it, 3 jobs. But she working hard. I'm working hard. Y'all know what I do. I'm a massage therapist at Google right now. So we busting our butt. And she's at work right now as we speak, actually. And we are in bed. And he thinks he's swimming in money right now. We went to Chuck E. Cheese last night for his classmates. We went to Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
What's that?
Good.
Ooh. And he got all these tickets and he thinks he's swimming in money right now, guys. Look at it. Whoa. Whoa. Where's your baby at? Where's your baby at?
Baby.
His basketball. His basketball is his baby, guys. I cannot teach him this even if I wanted to. That's your baby?
Yeah.
Do you sleep with your ball?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sleep with your ball? Hey, is ball life? Is ball is life?
Yeah.
Say ball is life.
Bye.
Ball life, y'all. He loves basketball. Who would have thought, man? No, I was hoping for this. But yeah, we're going to get the day started. Dropped Lala off mad early. And it's not even mad early. But right now, we are about to do what I think the last time y'all saw me do. Laundry. So I'm going to do laundry today. And then pick her up. And then get ready for it. We're actually doing a lot of stuff for Dash's birthday party. He's coming up. So you guys will see how we prepare for it. Because it's a little last minute. We've been planning it, but everything's coming together now. Enough of me rambling and talking. On with our day. And on with this kid playing with these damn tickets. Hey. Hey. Dashy. Dash. What are you doing? You can't be ripping your tickets. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all make it rain. Look at these. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, bud. Let's go. Let's get this. Ooh, this is a dirty old table. Boop, boop, boop. Wait, it's hot though. It's hot. You gotta wait. You gotta blow it. Can you blow it? Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah.
So I decided to change it up. I was originally just gonna get some wheat toast and some egg whites, but I was feeling kind of creative, so I wanted to make a little egg white delight. An egg sandwich real quick. So here we go. Boom, butter, cheese, egg, wheat bread. Boom, let's get it popping. Do down real quick. Time to eat. Looks like I'll be sitting with Lil Man.
Daddy, caca.
That is not caca. Can you eat it, please?
Bird caca.
Bird caca?
Yeah.
That is not bird caca. I don't know what he's talking about. So she thinks my egg bites is blah blah blah. She's at work. Let's see if she replies. If she replies, You ain't working? Alright, we about to get into this day. Where the button at? Where the button at? This right here, y'all, is one load. One of like many. You see our problem? This is our problem right here. Y'all. This is our problem. Is this our problem right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is our problem. Dribble. Let me see you shoot. Ooh, bend your knees. Oh! Oh, forget that ball. Let's get another shot. One more shot. Bend your knees and let me see you jump. Let me see that jump shot. Let's see that jump shot, boy. Bend your knees. Oh! 2 in a row. Oh! Again, one more time. Let me see one more time. No more. Whose turn? Daddy's turn. We take turns. That's the waiting area right there. You gotta wait, right? What are you doing?
Mama.
Here you go. Ooh, right on my toes. Alright, let's go. Ooh! Dashy's turn. Dashy's turn. Going for a little walk. This guy loves his door hat. Say hi to everybody. We're walk. Tell them where we're going. Or what are we doing?
Walk.
We'll walk.
Yeah.
Tree. What's going on, y'all? So we are at home. Picked up Lala. Dash woke up from like a 2.5 hour nap.
3 hours.
3 hour nap. I finished all the laundry, and this is what we do. Look at her handles getting better. Oh, look at this. Ooh.
Knockout.
Oh, so if you're wondering why he has no pants, we've been doing no pants at home for purpose of potty training. So, and it's been working. So we know
Mama's turn.
he knows. Ooh, he knows, you know, when to go potty. We put the potty out here, and it's going really good. It's been successful. It was Lala's idea too. So he's killing the game as far as pottying. Oh, he's making all these shots too. From afar. With the big ball on the highest level hoop.
Ready.
He's only one. Oh, almost. Ooh. Oh, almost.
A for apple. Try. Where are you going? I don't want that.
You want the puzzle
A
alphabet?
for apple.